What is going on, trading family? Day 16. Today we're going to be going over news. I'm going to show you a website that's great for seeing news events because guess what? This market is headline driven. It is all dependent on what the news has got to say. So let's take a look at this app. This is all this is. It's just an intro to the app, how to use it, how to navigate it. It's awesome. Okay. So, this is called forexfactory.com. It's awesome. Whenever you first open it, you'll be open to this screen. Has different pairs up here, but I don't typically look here. I go to the calendar, and you can pick this week, today, different. You can pick different time frames. You can click through different days so you can see what the upcoming week has. This week, so today, it was red and orange folder for USD and mainly everything else, and then GBP, so the British pound, has red news folder. So whenever we're trading, we only want to trade yellow folder days and orange folder days if possible. Red folder days, if it is a red folder day for your pair, it is super low probability that you will win. It's high risk, high reward. That's all it is. So we're looking for probability. So a good thing to do that I used to do whenever I first started trading was if you go up here, you can add filters. And if you filter it, you can pick your expected impacts. So I usually get rid of this. I just keep it on now for see when bank holidays are. And then you can change what currencies you see, and you can see and then you can change what type of news you want to see come up. But usually I just have everything on just so I can see because I like to look at everything. But whenever you're first starting out, I recommend keeping it. If you just want to copy these, I would take this off. I trade gold, so I would take all this off except for USD, and I would keep all the event types on. So this way it only shows you red days, orange days, and yellow days, and then you can choose what currencies you want to see. But okay, so news days you want to avoid are red folder days. So that's CPI, PPI, FOMC, NFP, just super low probability days like that because it's high volatility news. It's stuff that's really going to affect the market. And then if it is an orange folder day and you still choose to trade, which is fine, I trade orange folder days and yellow folder days. I just typically try not to trade red folder days unless it's after the fact. So whenever you're trading news events, if let's say you trade London session, right? Or New York session. Let's say New York session because that's the days. That's what we're really looking at for gold because it's a U.S. currency, and that's when market opens for the U.S. is 9:30 a.m. for New York open. So this is an orange folder right here. It started at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. I would wait to trade until around 10:30. You want to wait 15 to 30 minutes after the news comes in so the market has time to react to it. You don't want to get into a trade and have whatever news is going to happen, and then you're sitting there and you get stopped out because of news that comes in and it drives the market straight towards your stop loss. Or sometimes you get lucky and it goes straight down into your take profit. But that's just gambling. We're not looking to gamble. We're looking for high probability wins. So I recommend if it is going to interlap over and it's going to be a high news event, wait 15 to 30 minutes so it gives the market time to react so then you can make your trades based off of that reaction. But super great website. I use it every single day. Everybody in the Discord uses it. I highly recommend it. It's forexfactory.com. It's awesome. So whenever you get into it, just go over to calendar and then it'll pull up your weekly, and then you can change how it looks and everything. You can put your filters on. I highly recommend it. So for homework, just get acquainted with Forex Factory. It can be a little confusing whenever you first get into it, but once you just start messing around it, you'll really get it. So do that. Get acquainted with it. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow for the next one. I'll see you guys later.